Hey, welcome to my serial request video for my CheeZbot. So I'm calling it a CheeZbot because I wanted to be a VzBot but as low cost as possible. So I borrowed a lot of parts from my Ender 3 V2 that I had. I had an Ender 3 V2 with linear rails on it. So I kind of cannibalized that whole machine, get as many parts as I could. So I took the bed from it, the little bed knobs and everything, and actually modified the VzBot bed holder so I could use the M4 screws and the bed knobs from the Ender 3 V2. And you see I'm using the Mellow pulleys, the Mellow Utoc coupler. I have a Fulament Fulabed on top of this, so it's got embedded magnets in it to hold the bed down, and it makes it a little bit flatter. It's not completely flat, but it's a little bit better. It's only a two-wheel drive here, you can see, because I actually started this before the all-wheel drive was released. So it's taken me a long time to get this far. I just have a lot of stuff to do. The Toolhead EVA 2.4, the probe is a super Pinda. It's a great probe. The hotend is a Dragonfly right now. I have a Dragon high flow that I could put in it. I'm just I'm waiting for some time to switch it out. The top, the Sherpa Mini, which was originally from Fysetc, and they give you like an MJF nylon body, but the screw kind of pulls out, so I reprinted it out of ABS. If you look in the back here, I have the canbus board, the Mellow Sht36, the single 5015 fan, and I modified the back so that it could have more clearance, because the original EVA 2.4 has tensioners in it. So I removed the tensioners so that it would have more clearance, so I can get all the way to the back of the bed. The back right here, I have a 24 volt and a 48 volt power supply. The MainBoard is a VzBot Spider, which is kind of overkill as far as number of drivers. Only using 3 drivers from it right now, but it's got the 2 slots that it can use 48 volt, so it's perfect for a two-wheel drive. Spool holder, standard VzBot spool holder. I made a little bracket to hold a PTFE fitting so it could have a little smoother path. I made my little input right here. If I go to the front, you can see I actually have a power switch in the front. So I like to push my machines against the back of the wall, and for more space and everything. I made this top hat here just so I have more clearance for this tool head and the canbus wire and everything. Let's see what else. As far as the accelerations and everything, input shaper gave me 17K with this recommended, and I'm running it at 10K perimeters and 15K for infill right now. So it's not bad. It's not the fastest, but it's not slow either. It's no slouch. This is what I printed yesterday, so we can get a, if you can see it. It's not totally straight, but it's got not very many lines on it. So it's got vertical artifacts, but not that many. This is what it's printing right now, a base mode pyramid. So it's a pretty cool print, just to see it, if you can print it. It's got a lot of sharp corners in it, so it takes forever. Even though it only takes like 20 grams of filament. Let's see. The camera right here, Logitech C270. I want to move it to the corner here, in the very back corner, so we get a little more view. Right now I'm not getting the entire bed, so it works fine with a 2.4 350 boron, but this guy is not working that good. But yeah, CheeZbot. I can upgrade it to a all-wheel drive later. I have the parts for it. I'm running it like this. So I want to test it out and compare. You know, maybe chart out, you know, how much I gain by going to the 4 motors on the Core XY. But anyway, CheeZbot.